Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're doing something very special. This was a big seller at Chef Dom's restaurant, Daddy Jack's out in Fort Worth. This is a Shrimp Louie salad. We made it two ways. We made a nice salad with avocado and tomato and eggs. And we made it in a sandwich as well. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to make this. It's unbelievably easy and it will be one of your favorites. All right, let's get cooking.
All right, guys, we got some beautiful shrimp cleaned and deveined already, wild caught, and we have our shrimp water going over here. I got a couple of pieces of celery in there and some Zatarain's shrimp boil. Okay, we're gonna do a Shrimp Louie salad today, and we're gonna make our own Louie dressing. We have some brandy, some Worcestershire, ketchup, horseradish, lemon, and mayonnaise. Duke's mayonnaise. The best mayonnaise, man. Okay, let's get started on the dressing. We got some brandy here. Some horseradish in here. I'll put a little bit of salt. And some lemon. And a couple of drops of Worcestershire. Good, huh? Taste the brandy. That's ready.
All right.
We're gonna cut our celery, onions, and red peppers here. Sharp knife. White stuff is real bitter in there, the peppers. Okay, we're gonna chop these up pretty fine too. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw our shrimp in here because we are ready. We'll let this boil for a couple of minutes. Looking good. Looks like they're ready. Now we're gonna ice this down.
Cool them off. All right.
Cool them down. All right, guys, we got our shrimp ready. They're nice and chilled. Very cold, very cold.
Beautiful.
And we're gonna put all of our stuff in, and then we're gonna toast some nice bread and make a couple of sandwiches and a salad
Awesome.
to go with it. All right, let's throw this in here. We're gonna save a little bit in there for us to put on top of
the salad?
Yeah.
Or the sandwich? Yeah.
Sandwich or salad.
Good. Oh, man.
Yup. Wait till you try this on a toasted roll.
Oh, my God. I'm starving over here.
All right, man.
All right.
Let me chop a little parsley real fast.
Feel like I'm back in Daddy Jack's.
On the set, that's right, man. This is Daddy Jack's. This is on our lunch menu. A lot of people wanted it at night also, but you know, they were because whatever we finished,
right.
You know, we didn't make it. You know, we made it like one batch for every lunch.
Right.
You know, we didn't serve it. Yeah, we sold most of it.
Fresh is the way to go.
Yeah, man. That's
All right.
it.
Now you can let this chill.
Yeah, we're gonna throw this in the fridge for a little bit, and then we're gonna be ready to toast up our bread. We got a little unsalted butter on there. I'm just gonna put it down here.
Toast it up.
Toast it up a little bit. All right, they look pretty good.
Perfecto.
Yowza. All right, guys, I'm happy. We're getting ready to eat in about 3 minutes. Nah, it looks good. We used to put field greens on the bottom at Daddy Jack's. Now, I'm gonna put some avocado, some boiled eggs on there, and some tomatoes. You can put whatever you want, cucumbers. Mostly it's served with boiled egg.
Very nice.
Now we're gonna just cut some tomatoes and quarters.
Another avocado.
And we got some avocados here. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get this avocado out of here. Drizzle a little more dressing on top.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Beautiful.
And that's it. All right, guys, now we're gonna put our sandwich together. One more for
There you
good
go.
measure. Okay, now
All right.
it's time to eat, man.
All right.
You want a little more dressing on yours?
Oh yeah, of course, man. Oh, perfect. Shrimp Louie.
Yum, yum.
All right, we're gonna test this out.
All right, let's taste this sandwich. I'm gonna cut it in half.
Very good.
Dominic couldn't wait. He already
What do I
started
have to
eating.
wait for? I've been waiting for 3 damn hours to eat. Very good.
Man, it's phenomenal. You're absolutely gonna love it. Just brings back memories of
Very
being
good.
back in Daddy Jack.
Sorry, guys, I'm too busy eating.
All right, we're gonna dig into this beast, and we want to thank all our subscribers, and we want to give a special shout out to Don Frank again. He gave us a super thanks, and we're very, very grateful.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next video.
Take care, guys.